What's up guys, Ryan here. I wanted to do a quick Amazon merch video showing you how quickly and easily you can get all of your designs, like if you have 1,000, 2,000, however many, uploaded not only to Amazon.com but to Amazon.co.uk and to Amazon.de, which is Germany, extremely easily and yes, in an automated fashion. So what I'm going to do is I've created a quick one-row spreadsheet with a single design that I'm going to show how we can get it uploaded to Amazon Merch's beta uploader. And I'm going to show you how it gets converted from standard t-shirt size dimension to hoodie dimension for you automatically. And it's going to convert the text from English to German for us. So watch this. All right, guys. So now that I'm logged in, it's hands off from this point. It's completely automated. And what we are going to do is watch it upload a single design from that Excel file that I showed you to Merch by Amazon's beta uploader. It will automatically again convert the standard t-shirt design to hoodie dimensions, and it will convert my English title and descriptions to German just like that for me, which I've heard people say, oh, it's not perfect, whatever. But keep in mind, guys, it's better than nothing, and it's still going to get you indexed on those keywords in German. So from that perspective, I mean, there's plenty of people who upload to the English marketplace and don't have perfect English. So keeping that in mind, this should be just fine. So I've got it uploading to standard t-shirts, tank tops, and hoodies. And as you can see here, it is doing the optimizations for me, and I'm just sitting back and recording the video. But here's the cool part. So it's going to tab over to German right there. It did that, and it just converted the title. It left the brand the same. Now it's converting the bullet points, and it is converting the description. It's going to go ahead and select the colors that I told it to select. Now that you can select up to 10 colors, might as well just select all of them for the tank top. Got all of them for the hoodie. Again, hands are off. And it is creating the products just like that, guys. So it is super easy. It's never been easier to submit to Amazon.co.uk and Amazon.de. That was it. You just witnessed it. Thank you for checking out this video. Please check out the Merch Titans automation app. It is amazing. It's a complete game changer for print on demand, and it's going to save you so much time that there's really no excuse not to be using it. Link is in the description. Thank you for checking out this video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. Questions, comments, feedback, hit me up below, and I'll see you at the next one.